Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to hide your friends on Facebook. Now there's this option called hide friends. If you turn that on, then all the friends of your Facebook is going to be hidden and only you can see it. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. First step, after opening Facebook, click on the menu option at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're in the menu section, at the top you can see the setting icon, which is right beside the search. You want to click on setting. Now once you're inside your setting of Facebook, at the top there's the search button over there at the top right. Click on it. Once you click on the search option where it shows you the search bar, click on it and search for friends. Once you search for friends, the first option over here where it says who can see your friend list, you want to click on the option. Once you click on the option, it's going to show you this, who can see your friend list. So my currently is set to public, which means anybody can see my friend list. But if I want to hide it, what I need to do is click on where it says public, or right beside public there's an arrow pointing down. Click on it, and from over here choose only me. Once you choose only me, it's going to change to only me, and it's basically done. Now only I can see my friend list, nobody else can, which means I have hidden my friends on Facebook. So that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.